Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be talking to you about something that is very important. And if you're particularly interested about purchasing the new DJI FPV drone that was just released, I think there's something very important that you need to do before you actually go ahead and proceed and buy that drone. And in today's video I'm going to be sharing all of that info that you need to know. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news. And also, we're getting close to 5,000 subscribers, so if you're new to the channel, I will truly appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so that we can hit that goal of 5,000 subscribers, which we're really close from. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be a very exciting one. So by now I'm pretty sure that all of you are aware that the DJI FPV drone was released yesterday, okay? And I think we already knew everything before the launch. Unfortunately, it wasn't a surprise, but I think that there is something very important that you need to do before you actually go ahead and buy this drone, because this is not a cheap drone. This is a $1,300 drone, okay? And I think that before you actually go ahead and spend that money, I think that you actually need to think a little bit about it, but most importantly, get a little taste about what the FPV drone is really like, because this is not like a normal Mavic drone. I mean, this is an FPV drone, and I know that maybe a lot of people like them and a lot of people don't. So I think that there is one important thing that all of you, if you're interested in buying this drone, I think that you should do before actually buying, and that is trying the DJI Virtual Flight Simulator that was just released by DJI one day ago, okay? And what is this? Well, this is an app that will let you try and fly the DJI FPV drone to give you an idea of what to expect if you purchase this drone. Or also, if you already have the goggles, you can actually use the DJI Virtual Fly app with the goggles and even with the controller. So I think this is a great opportunity for all of the people that are interested in buying the DJI FPV drone. I will say to you, try this app out. Obviously, it will not be 100% what you actually get with the DJI FPV drone, but it will definitely give you a little taste of what to expect if you actually go ahead and buy this drone, which is definitely an incredible drone in my opinion. The link is going to be down below if any of you are interested in purchasing, okay? The link is going to be down below to the official DJI website. So I think that before you purchase the DJI FPV drone, I think this will be a great idea, and it is available on the Apple Store. It's not yet available on the Google Play Store. It should be out soon, I expect, but as of right now it's only available on iOS. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave a picture of the app right here on screen. There we have it. So that is the DJI Virtual Fly app, the DJI Virtual Flight app. In my opinion, if you're interested in buying the DJI FPV drone, or even if you're not, I will suggest to you to give it a try it out before you actually go ahead and buy this drone, because maybe you try it out and you hate it, and I think there's no point in wasting $1,300 of your money. So I think it will be a wise idea to just give it a try, even though it will not be like the full experience, but you just get a little bit of a taste of what to expect if you actually go ahead and purchase this drone. So that is my opinion on one of the things that you need to do before you actually go ahead and purchase the DJI FPV drone. That's all I have for all of you, my friends. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.